Revisiting data types, strings versus numbers. Okay, so let me start this video with the result of concatenating the t-shirt variable and the cash register variable. So, if I ask JS to evaluate the following code, t-shirt plus cash register, I'll get back a completely useless string of 20 space dollars, no space $100. Besides it looking weird, I obviously can't do maths with strings. So that's why you need to make sure that you're watching what types you give your data. Or, put differently, what are the data types of the values you save inside variables in JS. So, let's do this again. I'll reassign the t-shirt variable to 20, the jeans variable to 30, and the cash register variable to 100. So, t-shirt equals 20. Then I'll press the Shift-Enter keyboard shortcut to move on to the next line, and I'll type jeans equals 30. Again, I'll press the Shift-Enter shortcut key, and finally I'll type cash register equals 100, and I'll press the Enter key. Okay, so now I can do a few things that I've been mentioning in the last couple of videos. First, let's now compare t-shirt and jeans. Like I tried to do initially a couple of videos back, I'm comparing the price of t-shirt and the price of jeans. So, t-shirt is less than jeans. I'm claiming that the price of t-shirt is less than the price of jeans, and JavaScript evaluates this claim to be true. Indeed, t-shirt is cheaper than jeans. I can now also add the price of t-shirt to the amount in the cash register. So, I type t-shirt plus cash register and press the Enter key. And now I get the value of 120 of the number data type. So, like I mentioned a few videos back, using the correct data type is crucial if you want to have good results when working with JS. Now, before I end this video, I'll mention something that I'd like to change about the way this JS robot is communicating with me. Specifically, when I asked it if t-shirt is less than jeans, I wanted it to respond in English, with a sentence like, yes, the t-shirt is cheaper than the jeans. And if it is more expensive, I want it to respond in English with a sentence like, no, the t-shirt is not cheaper than the jeans. But how can I make it behave like this? Is that even possible? I'll explain all of that in the next video.